Remakeup ta chuwi khamda ya bauping. Phungyer block li bobilui sashman mi haira. US chongaina Manipur tourism li $500 million investor ra kachile haira. Lekayang tor Aju the Tangkhul Express Wibao, Iknguira Shimray ina Bamidale, Bauping Mesai na nganang Romsa. Kamjong District, Phungyer Block Li, Bobilui Eger Tarada Madigada Sashman Mihira. Kamjong DC Aina SB with Supervision Azing Li, SDO, SDPO Phungyer, NAB, Forest Department, Phungyer Police Aina Kasom Police Sangda Campaign Team China, Bobilui Sakashman Drive Kavana. Achumna Phungyer Subdivision, Maro Khuli Bobilui Eger Tarada Madi, Tarada Panga Shiga, Sashman Mihirajia. Drive we Maram Chief Aina Village Authority Nagahang, Maro Khuli Bobi Kaling Kamda Zingum Kaniga Haira, Kala Bobilui Katharva Kasang Malay Mana, Kar Rida Dahai Kasa Bobitha Karkashok Viena, Arong Kathara Kashok Nada Hanga. Kala Ram Jili Alternative Crops Vivang Farmers Bingli Training Mikwai La Hanchirai Teishrai Li Agu Akai Gazat Kara Control Sakawai Maram Vivang Awareness Camp Rung Mikwai Village Authority na Request Sahira Chia Bauhi ITV Aina Kakwina Manipur Tourism Sector Li USAW Company Akana $500 million invest Sara Chihira Company China invest Sarah Gachichi, City Convention Center Ligapam, B20 Conference Li, US Delegates Bing Aina, Chief Minister Khurjan Gasali Assurance Mikahaina Chia. Manipur Wishina Nurses Taraka, Japan Li Otsadale, Gala Ara, Argentina Aina Biru Nala, Manipur We Aina Female Nurses, Bohaira da CM, and Biran Singh Nahanga. Argentina we delegates being China Manipur Li sports Madaila Gaina country Taili Regasang Hagasang Quira Kawai Ningasang La Chite Hairachia and Biran Nagahangda Nalay Gadewi Ainala foreign investment Rafurada state Najahandale. Direction Thang Haupok Laga Gazipchi Northeast we B20 sessions carrying Saya Gazipchili Australia, Argentina, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Chad, Canada, China, France, Greece, Ghana, Iceland, Japan, Nepal, Russia, Seychelles, Singapore, South Africa, Switzerland, Indonesia, Doko, Uganda, United States with delegates Ungzanga. Overseas Trade Delegation, Bhutan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Asia Supporting Organization, APO, Japan, India Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Bilateral Organization, Indian Association of Japan, Indo-Icelandic Business Association Hipinghila Conference Chile Uzanga. Diplomats Bing Embassy of the Republic of Tunisia, Bangladesh High Commission of the Republic of Seychelles, New Delhi, Deputy Head of Mission, Embassy of Iceland, Chargé d'Affaires Head of Mission, High Commission of Dogowi, Minganin La Uzanga. Inaugural Gazipli Achumna Manipur Li Investment Opportunities Kura Gabai Maram, Business Mathamai Kawai Maram, Guard Sector, Healthcare Aina Medical Tourism, Tourism and Hospitality, ICT, Handlooms and Textiles Sikatali, Pakamai Kura Kawai Apong Li Ngasana. Inaugural Session Chile Ministers, Members of the Legislative Assembly Gala, Senior Government Officials being Wazangaroga. Manipur we District Hospitals Aina, Health Centers Saikori Shungda Kalewi Kajot Samhangda Kale Paning Mida, All Manipur Health Services Doctors Association, AMHSDA na, Gabo Maramli, Kayang Sami Kwai Outer MP, Lorho S. Fuzet Li Ngakawhaira. Shorkar Aina, AMHSDA we alungli, Maya Kangarok Legahai, demand being Otsagaina, Masa Kami Wivang, Dr. Longchina, Shorkar Arishing being Adam, Makakla Shungwarada, Ajahon Directorada Maditang Aina, Strike Haupokahaina. China Yari, Madaila Gaina Kapung Districts we, Kacham now being Li, Merlagaina Sazadale, Kachia, Paisa Dingashap la, Dampakli Kalebingwa, Shorkar Arishing Shunghailala, private arishangli ngaha khui kabai sampang dalai ichumna theibai doctors ping china adam jada promotion kami administrative post lebamda super anashin zingom hang tharukda phanga aina dangda kasai sang kami 7th base skill aina MHA rules kashur higata hi boda khlena Shorkar CM aina health minister li ngagawrashum laga ngahan gagamalay to the association jina MB Fozeli ngagawhaira maram juwe memorandum misangda AMHSDA nagahang achumna gaboji state cabinet meeting li gathagaina huigami haurada dui mi hailaga achukum cabinet meeting gatumshi pam gahailila maram chimayang sangmi tuwa kala Manipur doctors pingwe kachochi MP jina address kasamilut kuchi kaposaya ichumna theibai Adbamli Makava doctors pingli kasaga action kwirada health minister as Ranjanna ajahan direction thang hangmatin ga hailai ka strike sada khalai doctor kibalika action kwi ga hai baum shamana doctor na strike kasawi aina mirin shiman ga hai baula sampang phokhaira none shong accident gada patient akaling hami khwai doctors malai samada thi hawachia mi bajili BHC none li khwiwa ga haina Bauna gahang mawansa gahai vuji zingum hang madira tishat parinao Karilong village li shakazawa ukira zatkasa drug kariwi aina dagdungna kala shanchi ajahan tarik tharada tharukantor gashopna G20 aina Y20 submit li shuda Thabul district shong youth parliament kwiga haira Nipo youth parliament da aya Thabul Moichin Community Hall li Nehru Yuva Kendra Thabul aina Youth Empowerment and Development Society Mochingna Kanuithot Yaron ngala pingwang gazipchi makho khamina Achumna G20 aina Y20 submit Mission Life International Year of Millet Skala Catch the Rain campaign to Pong Bing Hilirinda Janpai Saya Lilong we SDO MCS Angong Shijalampi Januna Muso Sada Kamatwili Yari Rin Reason Kawai Kasale Kanutot be Otngarud Dergar Salaga Gajihi Hanga Youth Pingna Environmental Conservation Li Lungsan Lagaina Zat Kawaila SDO China Kasatsanga Parliament Chui Function President Lilong Haripi College Chui Principal Dr. MT Rahijuddin Sheikh na Samida ana India we G20 presidency maram G20 Youth 20 Summit li kazang higatha maram phaichithaya Khayawo Manipur University Department of Biotechnology we Assistant Professor Dr. MT Hamidur Rahman na Karar ngohong la der khavang kakhui la zingrodru shichin kakhui maram di phaichithaya Gazip Jili Musowona Tanda, the Rimathada Shijinra Gachi doing a sheet queen a rock laga, Getch the Rain campaign Haupokaira. Asamna child marriage li makamaya, Bullis action, Mermikar Zavafura Jahira. Ayin we azingli, Shukzagabai Zingum Magakashung now schnauli, Shukzakami Malakwai, Ajahon Darikatum Tang Aina. Assam Police na child marriages li makamaya operation hawbogda midaraka dukhuhaira ajahon darik tharada shiniai na danda child marriage crackdown gasajili mi thingatum hangmadida shini dukhuhaira Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act Prohibition of Child Marriage Act we azingli cases tingmadi tumrada shini gada thasangahaina Ajahandang Guwahati High Court na take a hui pongashok athishuda police action na stately rod kamarat shok na sagda leda child marriage cases madiwi li anticipatory bill mighaila shokhaira ichum na phaniung bai Assam Shokarna child marriage crackdown gasawi aina dukhui gahai mi bingji shimkur madaila kaina shinausan tingting na shokar lima kamaya protest marla kaina sahira Police na dukhui gahai bingji shimkurivang paigaza parivana rally gathak ping nada shorkar na shimkurli gajot gajang midalai gaji protest gasa shinausan bingji na complaint saya ka yarina protest gasa la dukakhui kaiga mangayi manada high court na thegakhui leilala Assam CM Himanda Biswa Sarmana deputy commissioners aina police superintendents bingli sampangda child marriage kakam lungsan maiwa fura gaji ngazekhaira Assembly child marriage mushok ngasak mara kala jikatha ngashanji state jile 2026 kum shimithairu sa khawai kasana da pawme pingli hanga scroll na thaikuya kaji police data athishuda Muslim now Jungmaida Gaban districts pingli dugakhui Jungmaya da hanga ka police na dugakhui ji thermally rin laga abam khai laga kasama leimana kachila CM china hanga kala gharot pingna bill mi ga haichi mi shakhani hang phangada akha mangli mana kala 8.23% mangli bill khamina da state we crackdown ji khangui maning manada hangsanga tharau kachang Assam Chief Minister na hanghai National Family Health Survey 5 2019 to 20 kum khui ka hailing hiau laga angret sakshi hauda shorkarna child marriage khamkhui phalungra da tuita ka khui na chia survey chiwi athishuda assembly underage pregnancy rate 11.7% gada kashok thei huya g national average 6.8% li handmaker ga haina ka Assam state we police crackdown ji mathada mamachuk wala saga hai thaya da activists pingna ga hang leya kachia now she now mi mabung phala shokza khabi hi kacham khangai kala mathai thang khamai kadam gashi khawat aina ragashok ngawaya gaji mamachuk wala kasa thaira da activists kai khana hangdale latluida chuik madaya pawping Pungyer block li bobilui sashman mi haira US chongaina Manipur tourism li $500 million investor ra kachile haira Achuwi pau hiling chong haira pau ngana da khalai na chom saigorali ringapha kala khamaya simik shong asasirana